Generating great images is no happy accident. And it's not complicated either.
Hey everybody! It's time for AI Tips with Jay!
Alright, we're going to start out with a simple image prompt here and just ask ChatGPT for a sunset. And we get a sunset. Nothing spectacular. This looks like an image you probably could have generated 18 months, 2 years ago. But there it is. Now, what do we do with this to make it better and to not have to do a lot of work ourselves? We throw in these 6 words before our prompt, and we ask ChatGPT to write an image prompt to create, and then we put in our previous prompt, a sunset. Now, it's going to write this huge, you see I turned off image creation so it doesn't run the prompt, it just creates the prompt. And you see how long and detailed it is. Now we tell it to go ahead and run that image prompt that it just wrote. And compare the quality of what we get here with what we created with our first prompt. It's night and day. Well, it's night and night, but you get the idea. So that's pretty much it. It's what I call prompt engineering. We no longer do our own prompt engineering. We ask our LLMs. We ask ChatGPT or whatever LLM we're working with to do. And this works for images. This works for this will work for making video games, making other programs, utilities, apps, for writing documents, essays, doing research, whatever it is. Don't sit there and kill yourself trying to write the perfect prompt. All you have to do is ask AI to write the prompt for you and then have AI run that prompt. And one technique you might want to use is to have ChatGPT. I like starting with ChatGPT. I'll refine stuff using Claude and Grok and other things, but I like starting with ChatGPT. It's a pretty good writer. And I'll ask it, hey, I'm going to build a game. Let me tell you about the game, and then you interview me if you have any questions about it. And then when we're done with that, you can write the prompt that'll create the game. And you end up with a fantastic, in fact, I'll let you in on a secret. I even go one step further. The prompt that I ask it to write isn't the prompt that'll create the game. I ask it to write the prompt that'll create the PRD, or the product requirements document, for the game. And then I have it follow that PRD to make the game. So I'm asking AI to write the prompt that writes the prompt that writes the PRD that results in the final product being written. Prompt engineering. That's my tip for you today, boys and girls.
AI Tips with Jay.